Hello friends, this video on ray optics part 30 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 29 before going ahead with part 30. Now that we have looked upon the sign convention for different types of lenses, let us look at the image formation by lens. So first we look at the convex lens. And then we have the concave lens. So in case of a convex lens, let us suppose this is the object. So what are the rays that will originate from this object? A ray parallel to the principal axis. After passing through the lens, after refraction, it passes through the principal focus. So this principal focus is my second focus, that is F2. And this is my primary focus. So our ray of light which passes through this first focus, after refraction, it passes parallel to the principal axis. So the point where these two rays meet, an image is formed there, right? So I hope you are no more confused about the first focus and second focus. First focus basically tells us it denotes the focus which lies on the side of the from where the actual source of light is present, right? For example, here the actual object is present on this side, right? So first focus denotes the point where the image will be formed if the object is placed at infinity, right? However, second focus denotes the focus where the ray of light emerge or try to converge after refraction. When they move parallel to the principal axis and falls on the lens, after refraction they all converge at the second principal focus, right? So this is how, so here you see it is very similar. The process of image formation or the concept is very similar to what it was in case of spherical mirrors, right? Now look at a concave lens. In case of a concave lens, let us suppose this is the object. So convex mirror is a convex lens is a converging lens and concave lens is a diverging lens, right? It is opposite to that in case of mirror. In mirror, a convex mirror is always a diverging mirror and a concave mirror is a converging mirror, right? Now let us look at the concave lens. Let us suppose this is the object, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it gets diverged. Similarly, a ray of light which passes through the optical center, it retraces its path, right? So these two rays virtually meet at this point. Therefore, an image is formed at this point. So in case of a concave lens, the image here is formed on the same side as that of the object. So in this way, if you want, you can try out to find out the image or the nature of image formed, the position of the image formed for different location of objects for both convex lens as well as concave lens. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.